What is up, guys? Welcome to Pallet Jacking.
Pallet jacking.
Today we have a box, not a pallet, but a box of returns from liquidation.com. I don't have all the numbers. I think we paid like $300-ish. And I believe there's 58 items in here. So you have to do the math because I ain't gonna put the math up there. But we're gonna start now and see what we got.
All right.
Let's see, the first thing that we got is wireless headphones. Can you see that? Wireless headphones.
The next thing is Xbox One remote.
Okay, speaking of Xbox, we have a Xbox One remote as well. Ghost White. Something fell out.
It did. Let's see what this is.
See, this is a Magic Charge mount.
Do that go with that?
No. I think that's a power supply or something.
Okay.
So that's all sitting on top.
Okay.
So this is by Skoshi. There it is.
So a naked power supply. Don't know what it goes from. Sit there right there to me.
All right, this is an Anchor sound core. Looks like some Bluetooth headphones.
All right, and we got some HP. This are like ink cartridges, maybe.
Yeah, ink cartridge.
We got several of those. I'm just gonna get them out.
Those are about what, $20-30 a piece, I would say.
Yeah.
Because they're brand new. Let's see. We have micro USB charge and sync cable, like a retractable type kind. I apologize if I'm looking at the wrong thing. I keep looking at the microphone. I need to be looking at the lens.
All right, so this look like a Power Boost Mini. So that kind of look like maybe what this.
The other thing is.
Yeah, maybe.
This is a another Magic Mount dash kit. I think these things are about $60
Okay.
a piece. That's what I looked at on a preview.
All right, we got a 2-in-1 car air vent foam mount.
Let's see. We have another Skoshi Magic Mount.
Oh, let's see. Oh, a clock radio.
Oh yeah. A lot of these are there's that GPX brand. I wonder if this may be like a shelf pull for them or just returns for that brand. We have a PlayStation Afterglow, PlayStation 4 level 3 stereo gaming headset. Still looks pretty good. The box looks real nice and new. So hopefully that'll pay off.
Well, so you see.
That's some cute headphones. What are you talking about?
Headphones, yes.
It's got like a little retractable thing. Oh yeah, no. Don't buy one of them.
I'm not sure. Maybe a child. I don't know.
So next thing is a throwback. We got an old school CD player.
Do people still listen to those?
I'm assuming they have to. It's got a radio on it. I mean, it's not Bluetooth. So I don't know how great. Do you know what this is, Mackenzie?
No, it's asking me.
All right, we got some wireless earbuds. No brand. I don't know what that is.
All right, this is a Real Track Premier Series travel accessory. Oh, it's a vent. It goes on your vent and connects your phone to it.
All right, we got another Xbox. Brand new CD falling out. Controller, wireless controller.
I think those look pretty new when I kind of peeked into them. So we got another one, another Xbox controller, white.
Look pretty good.
That one's black. This one's white. Let me help you. I guess we can say that brand new. Don't look used to me. Oh, it's been open though.
Let's see. We have a CD boombox again.
It's got Bluetooth though, I think. Oh god.
Okay, I'm gonna try not to throw it in.
Does that Bluetooth? No, it's got an aux cord.
Yep.
So it's back.
CD player, AM, FM radio.
I think some people still buy because I remember I went to Walmart one time and the lady stopped me and she said, "What kind of boombox do I need just to sit out on the patio?" And she was just talking about just the regular. I guess because she had CDs, you know, it was a lady maybe in the 50s or something.
Okay.
All right, this is Shadow Wireless Bluetooth headphones. I think I looked these up. These are pretty expensive.
Okay.
These were. I mean, look at the case. The case of these. It's another one in here that's nice like that.
All right. This is a Bluetooth chat mini.
Looks like a little mini Bluetooth speaker.
Okay.
All right. I got another Scotchy Magic Mount.
So, more ink has not been used. So, got 3 of them.
All right, we have an iHome acoustical knit Bluetooth rechargeable water resistant speaker.
What is that?
Seems pretty neat.
So it's another one.
Oh, another one. Same thing.
Yep.
We got a Naked Columbia CD. What kind of CD is this? Daft Punk Random Access Memories. Normally that guy, that franchise kick guy, he always had records.
Oh really?
We need to talk about the records too.
Yeah. We got a bunch of those.
Yeah.
All right, got some more wireless earbuds and the Clean DR laser lens cleaner.
What is that for? I mean, I know what it's for, but what? I don't think anybody wants that.
Pretty sure, man, to go with your little, you know,
DVD
1990s
Right.
CD player.
We've got some truly wireless free earbuds. I think these are relatively cheap. I mean, they're like $10 or $15. Pretty sure this brand is, so we'll see how that sells.
This is Jam. It's a speaker.
Oh, another Bluetooth speaker.
Yeah.
Now we'll have to test all this stuff because we've had bad experiences with speakers.
Yeah.
So we'll test all this stuff.
And make sure that they are
The right brand.
right.
Or not the right brand, but the right model. 'Cause
Right.
some people stealers and they go through and they take the good stuff out, the new stuff, and put the old stuff back in there.
Right.
And then send it back to Amazon. And Amazon just sell it like, you know, it was great.
Exactly.
This is an Audio Flex, some more wireless earbuds. These are kind of like a rose color.
All right.
Rose gold, maybe.
So another one, Audio Flex.
Same thing.
Yeah.
And this is another Audio Flex. So it's good. This one got the price on it, $14.99.
Yeah.
I'm thinking a lot of these earbuds and stuff we could probably sell towards Christmas time. I would hope. I think people look for like little cheap gifts and they may, you know, get some
For
stuff like that.
$5 to $10, yeah. I don't know what this is.
What is that?
I don't know. It's random. Hold on.
They ain't got no bag.
Well, it's a remote control to something like a radio because it's got AM, FM.
Oh, I bet you
tune.
it may go with that boombox.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put this over here.
I'm gonna look this last one up.
Yeah, I think it do.
What happened?
Nothing.
What do you thought it would turn that off?
What is it?
They ain't it. I seen you doing it too.
Just go randomly push the button.
All right, last thing in the box.
Naked ink.
We've got an Amps Air 2.0. I'm actually gonna look this one up just to see what the price of it is. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's actually really nice packaging. Look at it. Those are two earbuds, but then it's got like a case over here on the side. So let's scan this and see what it's talking about. All right, $113.89.
Okay.
And these are actually like they're in fairly new.
Okay, so we're gonna
condition.
pray that it works.
We're gonna pray that it works. We'll have to test all the stuff out like we said. But we'll test everything out and we will hopefully get everything listed. This is a very small group of things, so hopefully we can get everything inventoried, listed, and done pretty quick. So I guess that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like these types of videos, like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate it. We do plan on making some more videos about the same stuff, but just a little bit different. One video I was talking about was showing you all what we actually sold in the last week or the last month. So that's going to be coming up very soon. Also, we've got a few things just business related. One of the things is sales tax that we talked about.
Yeah.
And we're going to do a video kind of talking about our journey with sales tax, and if you are a seller, how that's going to affect you in the future. I think that's it.
That's it.
All right, we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.